In this video, I'd like to share with you how to set goals for your small business by using the SMART model and why you should actually care. Why do you need to have goals for your small business? Hi, I'm Linnea. I help female entrepreneurs to streamline their businesses so that they can get more time for what actually matters. If you're interested in more about that, you will find that in the description below. SMART goals were first described in 1981 in an article called "There is a Smart Way to Set Management Goals and Objectives." So they've been around for quite some time. I've been in the corporate world for 15 years and so I'm very used to using this method in setting all types of goals and objectives, like from the KPI on high level, on the corporation level, to setting goals for individual objectives for on a yearly basis. If you're looking into how to really set extraordinary goals for your life and your business, make sure that you grab my free download below. You will find the link in the description. SMART is an acronym composed by 5 letters, so it's specific, measurable, achievable or attainable, realistic and time-bound. The first letter, S, for specific. I often get clients coming to me and saying, I would like to work less. That is not a specific goal, so what I usually ask them to do is to answer the questions when, what and why. So the when is usually like, yeah, I work 7 days a week. I would like to work only 5 days a week and occasionally during the weekend. Okay, fine. And what is the reason for this? I ask them. And it's usually that they want to stay more with their kids or with their family or have more free time for their hobbies. Okay, great. And by when would you like to obtain this objective? And we could say like it's somewhere between 2 and 6 months, usually depending on what their role is in the company. Okay, so a specific objective in this case would be I want to work 5 days a week and only during emergency, let's say once every 6 months, I work during weekends, and I would like to do this within 6 months from today. M for measurable. Is it possible to measure the progress of this goal? Because it's so important to measure the progress of a goal. Yes, if we talk about not working during the weekend, it's definitely possible to measure. This person can write down how many hours she's working during the weekend for the next 3 months or 6 months, and we will be able to track her progress. Then we have the A, the attainable or achievable. And to understand if it's really achievable, we need to chunk down or to break down the bigger goal into smaller pieces to understand if it is possible to reach that goal within the given time frame. R for relevant. So how relevant is it for you to reach this goal? Is it aligned with your long-term goal, your long-term vision for your life? Or maybe it's in contrast, it's in conflict with some other goals in your life. So actually trying to reach this goal will pull you away from reaching other goals in your life that are more important to you. T for time bound. Here we have 2 scenarios. Either I have a goal and I don't know really when it will be feasible to reach it. So then I need to kind of calculate backwards. So I want to make $1 million in my business. So I need to kind of calculate, so how many more products will I need to sell? How many more clients will I need to get? How many more hours will I need to work? And when is it feasible that I could potentially reach that goal? And by that I set a deadline. And I advise you to not set a deadline like in 5 years, but to really, when you work with smart goals, to set like a 12-month deadline. The other scenario is that you already have a deadline. So you want to lose weight and you want to lose it by a specific date, by the summer or before your wedding. And then you just put that date in your description of your objective. Lately I've seen that an I and an E is added sometimes to this acronym so that it becomes SMART D. Where the I stands for inspirational or interesting, and the E stands for emotional or engaging or exciting. And those are really important aspects. So that's also to be considered when you kind of check your goal and you look back at it and say, okay, is it exciting? Am I emotionally involved by looking at this goal? Do I really want to reach this goal? I would love to hear what goals you have, so please write your goal in the comments below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that and click the bell button so that you will get notified when I publish new videos on how to become more productive and how to streamline your business so that you can really get more time for what matters to you. I wish you a wonderful, productive day.